Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Umar Abad from Pingo's English School and Eureka School System. The date today is 19th August 2020, and in today's online class we have studied about different types of composition tasks. Basically in this topic we have learnt about all the 5 types of the composition, or you can say the types of essays. So the first topic is argumentative essays. The first type of essays are argumentative essays. In these essays, what we write is that whatever topic which we are given about, we argue on that topic. Like that, for instance, if we are given a topic to write about that, we have to write an argumentative essay on Islamabad is better than Karachi. So that means that we have to debate, we have to write a debate on it, and we have to be against the topic. That means we have to write that Karachi is better than Islamabad, and we have to and sit in argumentative essays. We already know that what the conclusion is, since we have to argue on that topic, and we directly jump into the conclusion, so we stick to that statement and we have to justify that statement with ideas, with our logics, with all the reasons, with facts and figures, and with our personal ideas and opinions. So this is basically argumentative essays. The second type is descriptive essays. Descriptive essays are basically those essays which are described in detail and are written about any specific person, place or event. For example, if you get an essay to write about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah or Allama Iqbal, or if you have to write about any historic place, so that will be included in descriptive essays. The third one is discursive essays. In in these kind of essays, we basically it's not that we argue on the topic. For instance, if there is a topic that school life is better than university life, most of the students will not agree, but some will. So both the statements can be taken parallel, and both of the situations can be kept in front with all the ideas, with all the reasons which the students want to give. Some students might say that yes, in some manners school is better, but we get to enjoy more in our university life. So both the statements go parallel. So this type of writing can be done in discursive essays. The fourth topic is personal essays. In these type of essays, this is basically a mixture of descriptive and discursive. So basically in personal essays, we write something about our personal experience. For example, any personal event or any incident which we have gone through, or for instance, if you have attended a cricket match, so you have to write about that. So that will be included in a personal essay, since you have personally experienced it. Now you have to keep in mind that all the essays which you are writing, they have to be written in such a manner that you have to grab the attention of your readers. You always have to assume that whatever you're writing, even if you're writing about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, you have to assume that your reader does not know anything about him. So you have to write each and every detail, from where he was born, when he was born, what has he studied, when did he join Muslim League, each and every detail, what has he done for our country, what sacrifices has he given. Each and everything should be mentioned, and it should be written in such an interesting way that the readers should keep their attention towards your writing. They shouldn't be distracted. So this is very important. And you have to keep in mind that the descriptive essays have to be written in paragraphs, and they should consist of 8 paragraphs in total. No sentence, no statement, no line should be repeated. Every statement should be different, but they should link to each other. All the paragraphs should be linked to each other, and it should be written in a very proper order, which helps in attracting the reader's attention. Now, coming to the fifth and last type of composition is narrative essays. Narrative essays are basically those types of essays or stories which are written by us but are told by someone else. For instance, you all must have read that story, Four Clever Brothers. It's a storybook in grade 5 that is written by a narrator. There's a judge and he is the narrator of the story. That means he is telling the readers about what exactly happened. Although he was not the witness, he was not the one who wrote that story, and he's not the author either. But since he knew everything what was happened, and all those clever brothers were taken to that judge by Gilad, so he knew each and everything, and that's why he has been the narrator of the story. So basically, whenever we are writing any narrative essay, we write it in such a way that the other person has told us each and everything. So the words I, me or mine are not included. Instead, he said, he went there, she was doing it. These kind of pronouns will be used. So these are the types of essays which we learned today in the class. Now your homework is that you have to thoroughly read from page number 7 to page number 9, and you have to write an essay in your language notebook on an unforgettable event in your life. So you have to write this. This is your homework, and it has been uploaded in the portal as well. So take care of yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.